In this lecture, we'll be preparing our SD card to install the Raspbian operating system for our Raspberry Pi. This is a micro SD card. As you can see, it's very tiny. And typically, when you have flashed it and installed the operating system, it would be inserted into the back of your Raspberry Pi, just like this. And once you insert it, you should be good to go to boot up your Pi. But before we do that, we have to prepare it by installing the operating system that's needed to boot up our Pi. There are a couple of handy devices that might be available for actually flashing the SD card. This is a small USB connector that I got. And essentially how this works is your SD card is plugged in to the USB, very tiny here, and this actually goes into your USB socket in your laptop or your PC, and that's how you can access it to flash it. Another alternative is one of these. This is an SD card adapter, and essentially you would put your SD card in the adapter, and this goes into the SD card adapter slot if you have one for your laptop or your PC. So that's also another option. Either would work. It's just a means of being able to access the SD card on your computer. So let's go ahead. Once we have inserted it, we're going to insert this into our USB slot or SD card adapter slot respectively, and we'll prepare our SD card and flash it.